So you guys heard about REDMAGIC's gaming phones, smartphones that are specifically tailored for maximum gaming performance. But what about a tablet, or what they're calling a gaming pad? I've actually got two versions of it here in front of me. I think this one is just a little slightly higher spec, 16 gigs RAM, 512 storage, and then this one over here is 12 by 256. They're both in the midnight color, and it's called the Nova Gaming tablet. So I guess two different price points, so you can figure out which one is more suitable for you. I'm sure both of them are going to be plenty powerful. So here is a tablet, an interesting scale and size for gaming. Probably a little easier to hold for extended periods of time than if you had something enormous. Ooh. So we have a front-facing camera in the landscape orientation, volume rocker, power switch, some speakers on the left-hand side and speakers on the right-hand side. So that gives you that stereo separation, USB Type-C, some sort of pogo pin style connector down here. Red USB-C to C cable. Substantial power brick. Stickers. Apple got rid of the stickers. REDMAGIC increased the number of stickers. Now this is gonna remind you of their smartphones on the back. You can see these slightly see-through glass panels, Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. We're gonna have the latest from Snapdragon in there, 50 megapixel camera, and they're kind of keeping this whole like cyborg theme to it. The rest of the device is this kind of matte black finish. So the power switch on the top doubles as your fingerprint scanner, and it's a little bit recessed so you don't hit it by accident. I believe there's going to be probably a set of accessories in order to enhance its capabilities even more so, considering the fact that we have these pins and these kind of like locking sections on the bottom of the tablet. It has a high-res 16 by 10 display with a 144 hertz refresh rate and sampling rate up to 840 hertz. The battery, 10,100 milliamp hours with an 80-watt fast charger included in the box. The all-metal design comes in at 530 grams, and they have DTS-X sound with 4 total speakers and some vibration effects. Oh man. Jeez.
Our fight ends here, Diana.
It's running REDMAGIC OS 9.0, which is of course built on top of Android, with of course some gaming enhancements. And to remind you that it's REDMAGIC and gaming, it has RGB lighting. There's somebody there. Give me the loot. Is this a hovercraft? That is the greatest vehicle ever. Just hovercraft. Water, land. Oh, okay, it's flying long range anyway. Man, I got hit pretty good. That's the best I got hit yet. Oh no. Dang it. I want to use some first aid. I didn't pick up any ammo for this. Oh, damn it. Going back to the long range. Where is that? Up high? Did you see those shots without no scope? Whatever, you guys suck. Oh, they got like a big vest on. I'm better without the scope. I don't even need the scope, man. I'm just drinking sports drinks. End game, 3 people left. Well, that was inevitable. That was inevitable. Yeah. Champion. Pretty obvious. Those were bots, man. They couldn't fight. Couldn't fight at all.
Those were not real people you played.
You know how many hits I was gonna have to take to die? Like, I'm just drinking sports drinks. Speakers are good on that one. Whoa. This game is sick though, I like this game. And the sound, I really appreciate the sound now after playing this game. What do we have? Is this fan making like any noise right now? Is it even getting very hot? No, I can't even hear anything.
You've been playing for about an hour now.
Was I playing for an hour? Obviously a very capable gaming tablet here. I can play for like an hour and it's not too hot to hold. It's kind of the right form factor for a lot of games too. Like, it's not too big where you're gonna get extremely fatigued holding it. This has also got a fully functioning USB-C port capable of connecting peripherals if you wanna have it propped up with these eventual accessories. You could connect a keyboard and mouse and game with it that way. You could also output the video signal to a larger screen if you want to use it as your primary computing device. They have a cooling system that features a 20,000 RPM fan, a 3D heat pipe, and internal circulation air duct. Yes, even though it's a tablet, it does have cameras, 20 megapixels on the front, 50 megapixels on the rear. Probably front facing, could be for video conferencing. We have some rear facing. Here's a little sample of that. They'll work for you. It is not the primary emphasis on a gaming tablet. And we have a couple of different options at different price points depending on if you want to max out that RAM and storage capacity. At the time that I'm filming this, I don't even have the retail price for this yet, but it's a fast refresh, loud speakers, multimedia kind of experience from a company that in the smartphone space has already given you plenty of gaming options, and now they're doing the same thing in the tablet space with what they're calling the gaming pad. And they managed to squeeze RGB in there so you would never forget. Listen to this banger, this music. Are you kidding?
Oh, you land on top.
What? I don't even know what that was. That was what I was supposed to do. I was supposed to do that.